How to install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 10. So there are two ways from which you can download Photoshop on your desktop. For the first one, you firstly need to download Adobe Cloud. This is called Creative Cloud. If you type in Photoshop download on your web browser, then a link will pop up. This link is by Adobe. You will get a 7-day free trial on Photoshop. But firstly, you will need to download the Creative Cloud. This process can be much simpler by simply installing it from the Microsoft Store. Open a Microsoft Store on your device and go to the search bar on the top. On the search bar, type in Photoshop. Now click on Adobe Photoshop. Now here, as you can see, it is absolutely free to download. However, once it has been downloaded, you will need subscription to use it. You can get Adobe Cloud subscription to use Photoshop. That's all for today. Thank you.